Is the Notion app still worth it? Let's talk about that.
So, Notion is an all in one productivity app. You can take notes, manage tasks, build a personal wiki, plan content, and others. You can even collaborate with your teams in here. It is an all in one space. So, for customization, it is a 10 out of 10. You can design your own workspace using templates or built in from scratch, perfect for students, creatives, and professionals. It syncs across all devices, but heads up, the mobile app is smoother than it used to be. It's still not perfect, but for heavy editing. The free version actually is packed with a lot of features than you imagine. But if you want team collaboration or unlimited file uploads, you'll need a paid plan, which is right here, as you can see right here. It is $10 per member per month. Then, so overall, do you still want to need a Notion in 2025? Is it still worth it? For the most of people, yes, it is absolutely perfect.